Wanna talk about oh I'm gonna want to say up on social media. My biz with her on social media, she look like she righted. She look like she have sense. Look upon her go she act and talk. Let she look like she have her brain collective. You know see how idiot that. She look like she have sense. The whole I would know. Lock her up. I know me not touch her. I hit me up on the blood clot wall. I want to look a piece of blood drip down. Cause her body hot, you know, see your blood. No care the cut small. Your body hot, they got drain. You know, the wicked woman do wait until it dry. I just want something to eat. I'm going to lie down and this man should come here at trace. Now I've dollar for send her Pinigar school. Now I've dollar for send her Pinigar school. She don't have 1 red cent for send her Pinigar school. I just want a phone. I just want a phone and something to eat. You cook. You cook. You don't cook. You never cook. My mama never cook a Sunday that give me yet. If I tell you how my mother food tastes and me at 30, if I tell you how I want to say mother. Cause I think mother has some good decent human being forget it. That woman. But think that woman never cook a Sunday dinner give me yet. That woman never cook a Sunday dinner give me yet. I'm at 32. That woman never, ever cook a Sunday dinner give me yet. I don't even know what your cooking tastes like. She cook. I'm the carelessest person ever see born in a life. The carelessest person. I regular she make shame and disgrace take me. Take me like she, I don't like her. You know, from me, I like her. From you and your sister and her man, and all of them lie down in bed at the 3 and 4 some and video it. Nasty, me hate you. Where? That's why me hate you. That seal up the cock. Me want to deal with the car alive. From you, your sister, your daughter, our man, in a bed of the threesome, me despise you. You're not a morality to yourself. Because if me want the threesome, I ain't gonna do it with my sister and our man. The man that come in your face. It depends on people website and my face they put at the eyeline. Your sister man are coming in your face. Shame and disgrace step me in my scheme. If I walk, me don't know how for chin up. Me don't know how, me shame like dog. To own a nasty. You know a nastiness. That's why I don't like you. I don't know what you be. Because me could have never lie down in a bed with my sister and her man and my daughter and my next daughter man. I fuck and suck. You think you have somebody? Is that worse? At time I got destroy you. Lady, time will destroy you. Some don't want to come on social media. Oh, she wicked and she this and she that. And she play and she play and she play. I'm doing a germs. 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 16-degree germs. And I like the woman. Them not have the mother under them. Go take care of your pitney. Oh, can I be on social media like you? You're not chatting of yesterday. And this man, you can never find thousands in the Pinigar school. Everybody I use you. The dumb, the blind, the deaf, and the cripple, because you're not in a center, you're fool. Bad mind you for what exactly? I'm going to say you wear my things, use my things, nyam my things, everything I have, every single thing I do. But you know the funny thing them the one. I can tell you the one, 19K, I can tell you them the one. Them the one me use my TikTok money and fix up in here, make she live in a paradise. He's a married woman, I live here with a man. I have had a man. Can't work. So those money at the target. And them get red eye. And people in our ears. I come and know I like my hand back. You want me take my money when me come selling your so. Hours, part of hours. Shame and disgrace. Bring down. And take it and give you. Fix up in your son. He's a married woman. You're married in 2015. He's a married woman. You're living here with a man. I yes, me still have to give me things. Me still have to give me things. Me still have to give me things. You never grow me when me young. A sidewalk grow me when me young. Eh? Who feels it knows a sidewalk grow me when me young. A street smart. Who that? Circle. Love you, boo. A street smart grow me. You don't grow me when me young. You don't grow me when me young. You don't grow me when me. A street smart grow me, not book smart. A street me growing up. You never buy me a uniform when me a go to school. That socks. That it. My mama never buy me a ribbon yet. We a go as a ribbon. We not go too far. She never buy me a ribbon yet. You don't mind me? A streets me growing up. I also must upon Friday for send myself to school during the week. I also upon Friday and Saturday for send my raw self to school. I also me hustle as some have the ability for me young. I also me hustle. My life fucked up. The whole I wanna chat my life fucked up. Come and meet the hardest way, so me go always bless. My life fuck up. A streets me going for hustle my lunch money for go to school. For the week. And then I can't blood clot and I can't go. Where your mama there? She's not available. What she could ride off one cocky and suck it off. But I like the woman. And now I'm going to never try men's shit. And you look at me and tell me one day, say, you not got extra miles for not pick me. You do what you can do that. That means you don't even care. But no, now you only care about a wood or a man. I'm not chatting with people all the while. I don't like a bone in you. I'm not take it back. I mean, I said the front of me, I tell God, when I like a bone now, no time. Fuck what I feel like. No time, when I like a bone in her, no time. I'm not talk with spit in my mouth, no time. You mind Pitney? I found me a 7 months old, my granny have been. I found me a 7 months old, my granny got me down at town. A man at the store in a cardboard box. Everybody downtown know that. And one thing my family was rubbing on my head, your mama not like you. Them tell me from a little bit. Your mama not like you, you know? Your mama not like you. Your mama not like you. Your mama not like you. It left a blueprint you saw. Now the back of my head. For me a baby, your mama no like you. So when you come show, so I'm supporting them for your ocean life because you side with all my enemy them and side with all some people where you know what day I try for sure. But try for sure loyalty. Me give my thing, me try for overlook things and give my things and try for men's. Ocean like me, it just to prove them Ocean like me. Your mama not like you. Your mama not like you. Your mama not like you. The one of them from my auntie because I'm a father tell me. Your mama not like you, you know? Your mama a cruff, your mama not like you. And my father born the 6th of April. He must tell it as it is. My ear is like my daughter. And die my them. Mama, your mama not like you. Yeah. There you go. You know what someone that click live and I talk about. Oh, she like her mother and oh, she like. What my childhood day? What my childhood day? The woman forced me to turn adult before time. Forced to become an adult. Me not live a childhood all now. And that's why I grow very defensive. I never like people. I'm a paranoid one people. Where my childhood day? Where is my childhood? I was forced to get up and be up on my own from a smaller. Where my childhood, that's why I have That's why me have go-getter instinct in my blood. Mama, it seems like me lazy, but me not lazy. Get up! You're robbing my childhood. Yeah. Are you careless? Your second daughter from she 14, she gotta live with man. To careless, Sebi. That's why I got on a whole part history. Your second daughter from she 14, she gotta move out live with man. From she 14, 15, she gotta live with blood clot man. Because what? Not even school she not finish. I don't know how she like her mama, you know. But I guess she and her mama the same thing. Not even school she not finish. Cause she breed when she breed when she 16 or 15. Because what, you not care. You not care. Little girl have to fuck and buy uniform, fuck and buy bag, fuck and buy shoes, fuck and do fuck for all of that. Lunch money, she have to fuck feet. You coming on social media like you're a mom? Shame on you. You can ask her. Who know the truth know it. You mind Pitney? You not even like work. All you want to think about is the next spliff. You spliff, you fuck for your spliff. To your careless. You not have you are not even mama. He's a sperm donor. Eggley, action man, give them away. What are you talking about? None of you pity them to get them childhood. You rob it. You rob blood clot it because you're careless. You're careless. You want careless woman. Yeah. And she treat her put them like a piece of shit because remember one time in time my second sister come here. Oh, my second sister come here. She'd have an altercation with her. She'd have an altercation with her, you know. With my third sister, with my third sister father, where some feel up or some touching story they did go on. And them did their court. Some feel up story did go on or some touching story did go on. And my third sister father, Anna did their court for the little girl, which I'm my second sister. I remember a point in time, little girl there. And I don't know what the little girl said to her because my mother don't like the truth. My sister said to her, say, you never mind me. You never take care of June. You never take care of me. You never take care of Lamasha. And you fail to take care of Kaylee. Look at her teeth. Them time the Kaylee pull her parrot teeth. The woman cussed the little girl dog rotten. She break the little girl dog rotten. Move your blood clot. Or so you go cook or tell like my big father say feel you up. You're stinking father. And she rub out the little blood clot girl. And I can see where it break her down. Break her without tears. Tell you. She want ball and can't ball. Her mama. I don't know how them like her. They don't like her, you know. They want to deal with her because them mother don't like her. Careless and cruff your fuck. She. We're not going to be a mother. And we're not going to search to be a mama. Nobody cares about you, what you want to do on social media. Me not care. Me not care what you want to do. Me not care. Me not business. Me not care. Me not business. But make them call your name. Don't make them call mines. Because I'm going to say Rosealee, mother. Stop calling me name. Una buy the woman one phone. Una give the woman some food. Miss done enough. Because it look like say they want me to take care of you, your man, the house, I'm a picnic them in a one. The stone that the builder refused can be them ex-farmer stone. You never did know. The amount of money and things me give you and how you treat me in a life. You should have glad me still have the instincts to say You should have glad me still have the instincts to say because you treat me like rubbish. Me put my one for me at 10. Yeah. Your daughter breathe under you. Your daughter breathe under you just sick. I'm a care, you not go up public. I'm a get bus if I come back home. You know you do? Left the little girl in the hostel and go fuck. You see your mother all now. So you take my money and go fuck. Have you ever have a man somewhere? You kill it like a dog. And you not gonna stop. And you have 40 only 250. Careless. Careless. Which one of you pitney them? The whole of them hate you. Which one of you pitney them like you? None. Cause right now, me know you in an argument with Lamasha Shar. Sneer me up. Cause the whole of them have the same heart like me. Black. We only deal with it because of circumstances. Cause we have to. Cause you don't bring me already, but the whole of it, not even one of we don't eat. And the last, so eat them right now. The little girl hungry. And what you there? Kelly, if a man in know where your mother knows she don't go to school. You're coming this morning now. Kelly never can go to school. Kelly can't go to school, you don't have dollar. You just have them on the life for clown you. And when them a clown you, they gonna reflect back on me. Because I'm gonna say, Rosealee mother. Rosealee mother. I still put out a video with you and suck with my name, them call. Them never say you, them say Rosealee. And my picture them put. And watch if she over here with her nonsense, them and my picture them I go put. And me I go get the dragging that me I run from. Like if you walk up on social media. He said them I drag you alone. He said them I drag you alone. It was not so bad, but them I go all me night and I don't have a clue. Don't me that's my problem. If you want to come here, you're there for everybody. Happy red hands, good luck. I'm going to tell you this. 21K people there, so I'm going to tell you this as I'm going to blood clot give 2 fuck. You see when you not come for me, come for me. Nobody involved with me a par with. Come on, you don't have an idea on like do it. When you not come for me, I want to not come for me. Not come for who me a par with. Don't come for who me a par with. They have nothing to do with nothing. Come for me. Left the rest of people. I don't know them. I'm not calling about the name. Come for me. I can't glow no. Only can't stop what God create. I'm struggling in life, you know. I never have my mama when me I grow. I'm struggling in life, my mama never there around. Come for me. I can't anglo no. Because what? He said if you are 16 and you're foreign, your mama lick you can't charge her for your salt because you're big people. She lick me already and when I lick her because she go for the police will tell her say, she a big woman, the stupid, don't put her hand on her. She always want to bring fight to people. I not see the woman. I not see her. If someone not argue with me and my problem and my situation, argue with me. Top call people, them coming afraid of you. Stop calling me afraid of you. Top call people, them left the people, them alone. Nobody can talk about the whole way of blood clot big people. All they can do is listen to what your friends say. You know, must do as them say. Top call people name. Angle me, my angle back. Uno. Una stray the war too far. Angle me. Cause all this last night, I must about the whole scheme wake up for Rosealee. I'm a feel big. Them give me a cartel moment. Cause on cartel is a free world boss. I saw the whole of out there stuff full of peer people with camera. And I saw the whole around the session full of peer people with camera. Yeah. Free world boss. Go away. Yeah. All that wicked dirty one, the wicked dirty arms or shit out. Just stop up her man. I'm say me you? I say me never want to mention your name. Cause you're dead to me. Yeah. Go be a mother. Go and be a mother. I'm gonna time if I cook and get pit and take care of them. We have to live careless, act careless. Everything but you're careless. When me I grow, you never buy me a book. You never buy not even a ribbon. You never buy me a suit of clothes yet. When we see you, 3 and 6 and 4 months time, where do drop me? I've done. I'm drop from. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. She evil. That wicked word there. That wicked word there. She don't want thing in my life. I want people tell me not like her family a little bit, you know? Because my family me grow with no rings sitting on my head. It's a rings. So them make me know as long as I live, please do not forget. But then when my father yard, after she left, she breed with me and gonna live with her next man, you know. They are the man yard, you know. Left me at the man yard and gone about her business, you know. The man come out and say, listen to me, no miss. The little girl I have to work, so I leave her in the house. The little baby, I tell me I'm a month old. I have to work, so I leave her into the house. I neighbor for look on her when I'm going to work. I don't know where I'm over there. You need to come take up your son's responsibility. You hear what I say? The man breed from my father, left and gonna live with man. They are the man yard. Have me there the man yard. The man said to her, say, listen. She never did it. The man come to the ground and say, listen, you have to take up your son's responsibility. My granny has said, a man at the house. Down a town. Right a man in the house. She says to sell panty and brassiere. Right a man and oh no a man in the house there. Down a town. The man said, listen, come here. We can't find our mama. Me have to work. I left the young baby in a house. And neighbor for give her a buckle. The man came go give my granny. But there my granny, she come at the yard. When she come at the blood clot yard. You know the bitch though? You know what the bitch though? The woman take me from the blood clot yard, you know. Carry my gar blood clot friend yard. The woman take me from her yard, you know. Carry my gar blood clot friend yard. Come back without me. My father said to her, say, where the baby there? Oh, you come for the baby, take the baby, left the baby your friend, and when you come back with the baby, she have a father in an argument, she broke one chalk plate and tab him. Right? She broke one chalk plate and the chalk plate and stab him. Him gone to hospital. However, you know, your wicked blood clot friend with name Keisha. I don't know if she dead or alive. Lock me up in her pussy clad house and gonna dance. Lock me up in her pussy clad house and gonna dance. At couple months old, about 6 or 7. Lock me up in her pussy clad house and gonna dance. What you think happened? I drop on the bed and my eyes swell big so. She like they are prisoners and find her. See me here? You know what Keisha 6, you know what Keisha 6 up. Wrap me up in a one blanket as naked as the day my band. Go pump on the upstairs. I don't even lock the upstairs. Won't live in, you know. Cause them time when we live at Potters, you want board up upstairs, a pier board. Upstairs but a board. The man not even lock the gate, the boy wrap me up and left me, then the bad there the blood clot yard. No bad na there the yard. Where you there? Who walk and search your blood clot picnic? You gonna smoke and stuff, you gonna hide out. Wrap me up camp on the upstairs as naked as the day my born. My granny saw me come see June, my ball, shake my ball. My shame till my ball. Yeah, shit on a plate in a it. The man though, I done clean it off a 4 bottle of feeding you one drink. Your face swell big so. All of them time that shit they are preser. Suppose when the roll off for the step, I reach on the end of the blood clot. It's a wicked woman there with your blood clot. I seen make sure mother she can't further in her life. She's a wicked. When they get big and confront her with the blood clot story, come confront her with the story, you know, she never did that, she never denied it. Boy, the weight is heavy. When me get big, I'm a confront her with the story. She never denied. You know, she said, Keisha wicked. Keisha wicked. And the boy I want wicked boy too because the boy did a fuck me and him really do me pick that. You know hear her? She not deny it. It was just the hardcore truth. And it broke my heart. It shattered in a million pieces. It broke my heart. It shattered in a million pieces. She not denied. She never said it was a lie. She said Keisha wicked. And should have fucked the brother. And the brother really do her that. Because Keisha no business. Keisha wait until me asleep and left me in the house and gonna dance. I chop for the bed, I could have broke all my neck, my eye. Suppose me the drop on my neck. My face swell big so. My face swell up so. One part of my face swell up so. Yeah, mother? When in a which category? It's a failure to life. It's a failure to my lifetime. And now I'm try men's with it not work. Yeah. But the Bible tells us, say, when your mother and father forsake the Lord shall pick you up. When you see my shine and my girl upon social media, I've been through a lot growing up. I never see them. I don't like bat. She never pay for your subject. She know if I go to school. She want wicked blood clad woman. She know if I go to school, she want wicked blood clad serpent. She no mind none I pick them. I'll carefully she still a fail. Still failing. When I check her Google, it say fail and still blood clad failing. I'ma still put that aside and give me things. Cause them a fucking, them only think about fuck. I want jar of weed. Them a fucking Tululu fuck back. Cause my man alone she fuck you know, she fuck her like blood clot sister man. She's a nastiness. You think she has somebody? Me do man you fuck. So when the whole of you attack, me soon a diamond. When the whole of you attack, take a put on down in my shoes, you know how it feel, how it fit. Me have resentment for me a baby. Yeah. So when she hug me, when she hug me about them, she love me, me know it not real. Cause regular she try do it. The last time she endangered, the last time she endangered. She go down a town and danger video, do bag of chatting, and she auntie come and say, what you do to your daughter? You eat your pitney like poison. I could have just walk because I couldn't take it. My daughter, I'm sorry, I love you. Don't love me none at all. You sorry the day me even born. And my mama can't do me so judging people. That's why I grow defensive. Because I have nobody. I'm there on my own. For me have the common sense. The soon I die, man. I'm there on my own. For me have the something name common sense. It is common. So when I start take man, I mean go around people know say condom for put on. When I start do period. How that? Where our mama there? Our father dead, where our mama there? So, and sometimes I ball for the little girl. Where our mama there? That's why anything when I have me girl, baby. She say, I baby want this. If I not have it, I got the bank. The one of them fuck up, but I can't see where she went wrong. I can't sympathize for her for your moment. Because the one of we are fucked up meds. Because mama fuck up mentally for we are pick me. And now come back. So I know the one I want to talk about. I grow. What am I know? You want a plate of food you have to fuck for? You want one bag of a fuck for. You want one slippers of a fuck for. And your mama big and careless. Come on social media, don't capture my name. She have a name, don't write my name. I like a woman. A real hardcore Jamaican woman. We're going to sit down and tell the world, so I fight it. I go through the hills and valley for my youth, them. The hills and valley I go through for my youth, them. I mean hills and I mean valley. That means, say, all means of cause and all necessity. You run out. Bust that tank, you run out. That means, say, in all, I'm picking them growing up, I stand firm in my life like a rock at the Gibraltar. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. But coming from the head up, from the crown, from the bottom of your toe to the crown of your head. You understand what I say? Nobody know I've been through, nobody know me I go through. You just see one book and try to read it. Try to make case and read it. So you skip all the first part and reach in the middle. Kind of like chat. Why wouldn't I buy my mama phone? Why? She hungry? She look at you hungry? Eh? Even 2 nights ago, she come in here with big hairstyle. And she said to me, June, buy me one food now. And I look at her, I said to myself, say, then you come for mash up in your life. Because you come here with big hairstyle, but yet still you could use your money. Go cook some food there, you them. What am I supposed to do? I buy her the food. I want to buy her the food, she still want to dip in the money. I say, give me my money now. As she do look washing for me, I always give her my money. I pay her for clean her own house. As she washing me, give her money. I pay her for clean that house. What you go clean the bathroom for pay her? I shall shit in there. When she wipe up in the house for pay her and she live in here. From my born till now, you bring my blood clot down and I tell to me, I wonder when you going to stop. From my born till now, you bring me down. And I tell to me, I wonder when you going to stop or when you going to change. Me can't. That's why I have trust issues because I can't even trust my mama. My father was a worse. So me just a girl with no parent. Right through my lifetime, I just hold it. Me not a parent. Me not have none. Me a 32-year-old and a wedding. Next time my father say, I love you. I'm going to call, oh, what are you go on social media, go tell people about, at the first in your life, say, I tell you, say, I love you. I know I'm not look on because that's the truth. Like, me a 32-year-old and a wedding. Next time. My father say, I love you. Or my mother say, I love you. She don't mean it. People them come around me, nobody not like me. They just come around for drain my fucking energy every day. Yeah. Me can't pick out the people that will actually do care. And sometimes it break my heart because I say people really care about me. Because my mother business with me. My mother business with me. My mother care. My mother do things because they look bad. And people all say things, she stay. She don't care. You're going to leave you so. Me have to leave you so. And I'm telling you today. I am finished with her. I mean, me done with her, I mean. But done, finished, done. I am finished with her. And I'm serious. With no turning back. I'm pray today that the day that she don't call upon me. Cause I'm not gonna do it. I'm serious. I'm gonna give chances to give chances to make it right. And the chance when we do to make it right, you still not accomplish not even one blood clot, not even one piece. You're the worst. I'm not carrying the same man disgrace. I'm not carry your baggage. Where you want me for do? Where exactly me for do? You live here with your man and you have other man. Where you want me for do? Come here, come slap on my ass and beg and fix up in a put in a paradise you live in a. Ain't you like me? All a blood clot and the whole of them are my mate. I mean, I know. Can't like my mama because she turn all my mate. I want they show walk up to me, oh, and that man did a grind this and that man did a grind. I say, I don't want you because you know a long time. You don't talk. I feel them betrayal is deep. I don't know what wrong with them. I'm alone can't judge me. Mankind can't judge me because mankind don't know shit. Mankind only has things I like, just comment, spectate, speculate. I have been through enough. And the woman me grow bitter against her. Bitter. Makawa. You never give me a mother's love when me young. And I'm old and gracious who took my pussy and my arm. You still a feel. Because people can sit down and program my family about me. And nobody can program me about on the car. Only just having on the back of the head on a red eye. Red eye. Then me can't say something else have to move. I want to stay around them. More have to sit down and cook my food and have to watch the pot. Me not cook because I'm afraid of them. Everything I have, them take it up. Everything I have, she take it that she don't even ask. I'm not even argue with her. But go over my boo. I'm gonna get some sardine and canned beef and some little sitting. I know I can't see the sardine and the canned beef. I got bless you, pull the rice. Choose every single thing down to my soap. I don't argue with her. I leave her alone. Because I say, no, I don't do that word there. Let bygones be bygones. She don't love me. She love me. Eh? You should tell me what they never forget it. This little man like me. I forget her $1,000. She cost me to say, move your blood clot. Can I make a picnic them with them there? Since September. Move your blood clot. Can I make a blood clot put it over them there? I mean I tell you say it cut me deep. My ball for days. Diamond see me a ball for days, a diamond know me a ball for. Someone who gonna see me. Someone who's good a blood clot but see me a ball and don't know what me a ball for. When I was talk about me about over man. So what's wrong with you know? You man look at me and tell me say move your blood clot can I make a pin in them there with them in September. See me here? I want to overthink and the words replay back in my mind. Mr. Jesus Christ. Mr. Jesus Christ. My mother really tell me that? 1 grand pin them. Yeah. No, no, shut up. We face there for ourselves. Just because $1,000. Shut up, we face there for ourselves. You should tell the girl, say, move your blood clot. That's why you're there, where you're there. I'm in your ear. I still come back with things I'm give her. Me in your ear, I tell the girl, say, and she make she do what she do. My daughter 10. I don't want them around my brother. But dying for move. When I done the time I say move them can't come on my gate. Come here, as I move, me disown them.